What's the most beautiful view?
Which Peter followed to make it.
We make our own handmade paper because it adds a unique quality to our books that can't be achieved with commercial papers. There's the texture that just isn't. They make commercial papers to be used in machines, and so it's not made with aesthetics in mind. Some are, like the art papers that you buy, but then those art papers are often made for printmaking, and so they don't have much fold strength, and they can't hold up very well in books. I don't think you could buy a paper that would make a book like Sometimes I Pretend, but there's such pleasure in it. There's many people get involved with it as an advocation. Do you want to try making a piece of paper if your fingers are willing? Go for it. Oh yeah, she's like a pro. Flip the paper over and perfect. Now,
Make around. A lot of weight. It tastes well.
perfect.
This is
Okay. Iron and flip.
Sure, how about the first one?
Okay, we have letter presses. There are some letter presses.